Google Earth has documented every square inch of our planet, but some spots are just downright weird. Here are 7 of the strangest locations you can find from space. First, the Blood Lake in Iraq, which mysteriously turned a vibrant deep red. In Hong Kong, there's a full-sized cruise ship sitting in the middle of a neighborhood. It's actually a luxury shopping mall. Over in Egypt, Desert Breath is a colossal, perfectly symmetrical spiral carved into the sand to represent infinity. If you like nature, check out Tall Lake in the Philippines. It's an island in a lake, on an island in a lake, on an island. Off the coast of a naval base near Seattle, there's a massive shape in the water that many believe is a giant squid, though it could be a school of fish or a top secret sub. In Argentina, a farmer planted 7,000 trees to create a massive guitar forest in memory of his wife. Finally, look for the Badlands Guardian in Canada, where the mountains naturally formed a perfect human face. The world is full of surprises. Which one are you zooming in on first?